Hello everyone, this is Halal and at the moment I am in Shibuya, Tokyo. Tokyo now is the capital of Japan, and today some of my friends we decided to visit different parts of Tokyo, and at the moment I am feeling hungry and I'm thinking to eat something. And if you are in Shibuya and particularly Tokyo, and I will recommend you to eat doner kebab. Doner kebab is a very famous kebab in Japan, and particularly most of the shops are being run by Turkish people. So at the moment I'm thinking I should eat doner kebab. How to find a shop here? Because it's you can see jam-packed things here and a lot of building. So Navid, I think can you suggest me?
Yeah, I can suggest you. Why don't you try Google Map?
Hey. Google Map?
Yeah.
Google Map?
Yeah.
This?
I usually use Google Map. So why don't you try?
Google?
Yeah, Google.
Okay.
I'm also feeling hungry, so why don't you try?
Okay. I'm gonna try from Google. Google Map. Thank you for your suggestion. Yeah, it's a good suggestion.
Yeah, no problem.
If you are in Japan, Google Map is mandatory. Otherwise, yeah, it will be difficult for you to find Google Map. Okay, I found many options. I think Mamu Kebab is maybe nearby. It's on this side, Navid. So let's go.
Yeah,
let's go. Thank you for
I'm
your
following you.
Let's go.
Okay.
lagi थोड़े घूम रहे हैं
Arif-san, I think over there.
Yes.
I think we found it.
Yes.
We found it.
Finally. We found it. Yes. Kebab rice is there. Where is doner kebab?
This one. This is kebab.
This is kebab.
Yeah, this one. Kebab stand.
Okay. So finally we found the kebab. I will try to
So what do you
convince the
suggest?
shopkeeper to show you how they make doner kebab. So let's see and let's go. Let's just request him and then see.
Okay.
Yeah, Arif from Pakistan.
I love Pakistan.
I love Turkey. Turkey?
Go na man, go.
Oh.
Good.
Okay. So, Turkey, Pakistan, Arif, and now we. And we are also making video as well.
Okay, now I love Pakistan.
Yes.
Go na man, go.
Go now, go.
Yes. So, I'm at my brother's cafe. I usually visit this cafe whenever we visit Tokyo. So, let's now order some kebab and let's eat the kebab. So now
I think I would like to have M-sized doner kebab. We will eat here. Okay.
2M size.
Okay.
Yeah, with the
And spice should be normal, please.
normal spice. So now, Navid, can you please show? So we'll show you how do they make
Yeah.
kebab. So this is the
Beef, two beef.
okay.
Whoa. It's so juicy, man.
Navid, please go near. Yes.
Oh my god.
And if you're
so
feeling
lucky to see
hungry,
actually,
yes,
yeah.
it's something to.
I'm feeling even more hungry than Arif-san.
our brother's hospitality is
yeah.
superb.
Yeah,
every
it's
time.
amazing.
Every time we visit this cafe.
Yeah.
So now you can see this is for one ingredient. Navid, please don't tell them.
Chicken, this beef.
Yes,
It's chicken with beef.
beef and chicken.
Beef and
Why?
chicken.
Because now Corona, no customers. Little customers. Almond. Beef.
Yes.
This normal, only chicken, only beef. Just now Corona.
Okay.
Usually
So
they're
before
separate.
COVID, it was separate.
Yeah.
Now due to there are no customers, so now we have just one. Because of Corona, we can see like
Of
it's
course,
happening
there
all over
are
the
not
world.
not so many customers.
But
So
now
of course,
Corona, very bad.
Yes, very bad, and particularly in Tokyo, too much.
but
Now, next,
they're there.
Let me show the
How
next
long time Japan?
one. 3 years.
It's been 3 years for me, and it's been 2 years
Let
for
me show
him.
the ingredients, please. So a naan, then salad.
Yes. Okay, spicy, little.
This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
spice.
Spice.
Okay. Oh my God, it's gonna be very tasty.
Yes. And now please show them.
And he's gonna put some chicken pieces and
So
beef
he's our
pieces.
brother from Turkey.
Yes, Turkey, Istanbul.
Turkey, Istanbul. Yeah. They have very nice
Little
attitude.
spicy.
And
Okay.
yeah, can you please take it? Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can have it. No problem.
Okay.
I'm following you.
This spicy, normal, very spicy.
And it's gonna be normal. Should be
Normal.
normal.
Why, you Pakistan people very love.
Yeah, we
spicy.
love spicy.
You don't Pakistan, you Indian, you Indian.
No. We are
Yeah.
Pakistani. Actually, we have to go some work. Actually, so we have to not eat that much spicy food.
But while living in Japan, Japanese people don't like maybe spice, so now we
And
also.
so we are somehow been converted to Japanese.
Oh my God, Naveed.
So why don't you take a selfie?
Yes. We will.
Just a moment. Okay. So we are gonna start our food. So thank you. Don't go.
Yes. And Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Dosti Zindabad.
Zindabad.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you so much, brother.
No.
Wait. I think you didn't pay for it.
How much, brother?
640, Sanya Kanjuya, 1,200.
1280 maybe.
Yes. And if you're in Japan, it's not that much.
This amount is not that much, so we're gonna enjoy our
Thank
food
you, brother.
today.
Thank you.
So what do you recommend about this Turkish food restaurant?
Yes. If you are in Tokyo and particularly in Shibuya, it's very near to Shibuya. So you should visit. You should visit Brothers Cafe, and it's very oishi, delicious.
Yeah,
you
it's
can see.
oishi. In Japanese we say oishi.
Oishi, yeah.
Yeah,
Oishi.
very tasty.
Service, like you, Pakistan service.
Yeah, okay. So you must visit, and it's a must visit place.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.